Hi everyone, I'm Charlie. I'm from EcoFlow. We're at Solar and Storage Live. I'm here with Current Renewables, Anthony, who's one of our key installers in the UK. So yeah, Anthony, tell us a little bit about Current Renewables and the UK market.
Yeah, of course. So Current Renewables is a family-run business, which I think is important. We've set a geographical area we tend to work in, so we give key customer service. And in terms of the products we use, we've got three key products we use for the batteries. And I think with the UK market, it's really important to give great peace of mind because UK homeowners tend to be a much longer thing.
Yeah.
And certainly with EcoFlow having a 15-year warranty, that's a massive thing to offer someone that they're putting on their property.
Yeah. And how do you see in the UK market right now, is solar increasing? Are you seeing growth year on year in terms of like inquiries and solar integration?
So I think taking away year from year, I think even now with everything going on in the world in the last few months, it's been a massive boom in inquiry.
Yeah.
You know, so yes, we've had the drop in energy bills where the taxes have come off, but actually with everything going on in terms of oil and various other things, I mean, a great example I've got is a customer looking at electricity.
Yeah.
Had a biomass grant, and now he's actually at a point where the lumber is worth more sold as lumber than it costs him to chip and put it in the biomass.
Oh, okay.
So we're now looking at solar for him with an electric generator, because actually that's going to be far more efficient than something he had a grant for and supplies us some lumber for. I think that gives you a really good picture of not only the residential but the commercial use of energy right now, how it's impacting the market.
Yeah, and how do you feel about homeowners picking solar and storage? I mean, how important is the storage part to the whole setup?
Oh, it's massive, absolutely massive. If I take my personal example, we're using 15 to 1800 units a month. We've got 2 electric vehicles and we've got battery storage.
Yeah.
Now that battery storage actually is enough for us to live off of during the day.
Yeah.
So we ramp up the cars and the battery overnight, and then between the solar and the storage, we can actually live off that during the day. So everything we use on the grid, it's cost us 3.5p a unit now.
Yeah.
So I've got 1800 units at 3.5p.
Yeah, wow.
It's just uncompeting.
Yeah.
There's nothing else going to compete with that.
Yeah, and I guess there's a decision to be made when a homeowner picks solar and storage about which storage brands to pick. Why is EcoFlow, or what have you found in the past that is a real benefit of using EcoFlow products?
So there's some really good benefits for EcoFlow. I think firstly, and almost oddly, is the colour.
Yeah.
You've not got a big white box on the side of your property.
Yeah.
You've got a nice sleek grey stack going in.
Yeah.
Talking of the stack, it's a modular system, which is awesome for our customers. I always say to a customer, you can always buy a battery from me, but I'm never going to buy one from you.
Yeah.
So actually, if you're not sure, start with 5 kilowatts, we can come out and put another one in. It's not a big deal to do, and it gives you peace of mind. So as long as we left enough height in the stack to be able to do that, simply unbolt the inverter, pop the battery in, secure it, reprogram for the new battery, away we go.
Yeah.
And it just gives customers that freedom to go, actually, do you know what, I'm not sure how much I need. And then 3, 6, 9 months down the line, actually, things have changed, I need another battery. And then you can build to what your house desires.
Okay, so you feel that the EcoFlow products can offer kind of like an overall system for you and your team of installers?
Yeah, really, really, really streamlined. You've obviously got the EcoFlow tablet, so people that aren't sure about having it on their phone, you've got the little tablet to be able to go in the house, you've got the car charger, you've got the inverters, you've got the batteries. So the fact we can put it as a complete package that talks to each other and easily controlled, I think is a fantastic thing.
Great, and I guess just finally, that kind of finishes the video off nicely in terms of EcoFlow can give you that complete independence, because I think some homeowners will have solar and storage, but not so much the EV charger or other bits and bobs around the house. But I think what EcoFlow can benefit homeowners is to complete that all-in-one system, from the solar energy right through to an EV charger in the home.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think the fact we can offer that from one brand is fantastic. It does mean that they'll talk to each other. It does mean that the install is a lot easier than it is if you've got a piece from here and a piece from there and a piece from there. Yeah. And again, the looks, it's all tying in together, Yeah. You've got the same great colour scheme, everything works together, it talks, and it's just customer friendly, I suppose, for want of a better term.
Yeah, great. Okay, cool. Well, I think that's it. Thank you very much for your time.
Welcome.
Cheers.